Feel like everyone's using AI, but you're still trying to figure out which tools actually matter? There's a flood of options, but only a few are truly changing how we work, think, and create in 2025. So today we're breaking down the top 5 AI tools everyone's using right now and what makes each one a game changer. Hey, I'm Emily, and this is AIChief, your go-to source for the smartest AI tools and tech trends. Let's jump right in. Number 1. ChatGPT GPT-4.0, still leading the pack. ChatGPT with GPT-4.0 is now faster, more conversational, and visually aware. It can talk, see images, and help you plan your day or write a thesis all in real time. From students to CEOs, this tool is everyone's digital co-pilot. 2. NotebookLM, meet your personalized research assistant from Google. NotebookLM lets you upload sources like PDFs, notes, and articles and then ask questions based only on your documents. Writers, researchers, and knowledge workers are obsessed with how precise and helpful it is. 3. Google Gemini. Deeply integrated across Google Workspace, Gemini helps you write better emails, summarize docs, create presentations, and even automate tasks across Gmail, Docs, and Sheets. It's productivity on autopilot. 4. Grok by XAI, Elon Musk's AI assistant with attitude. Built into X, formerly Twitter, Grok delivers real-time answers with a personality. It pulls directly from the platform, so it stays current, opinionated, and sharp. If you want a conversational AI, with Edge Grok's for you. Number 5. 11 Labs. The gold standard in voice AI. Type in text. Get back ultra-realistic speech. Creators are using 11 Labs to narrate videos, clone voices, and even create entire podcasts. It's fast, flexible, and surprisingly human. So are you using any of these tools yet? Drop a comment and let me know your favorite. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more future-proof tools right here on AIChief. See you next time.